it's Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I am doing something that honestly I don't think I've ever done before. I'm revisiting the planner spread that I did earlier because I'm feeling super overwhelmed and I have to get it all out on paper. There are just a lot of things that are coming together, such as our floors are now being installed. They were delivered, but it wasn't all the delivery. It was the whole thing. The floors are coming in. My mom is coming into town. I also have my housekeeper coming on Friday. So it's feeling like a lot is coming together all of a sudden. And I just need to like figure it out. And so I'm like, you know what? This is a perfect job for the weekly planner. Let's just bring it back out. We'll film the chaos and we'll see what happens. All right, so it is currently Wednesday night. Let's see, today I spent most of the day just recording content for work. So that was really great, but I didn't get some other things done that I thought I might have been able to. Basically, things were running ahead of schedule. It was looking really good. I thought I could get double done what I wanted to, and I only got like 1/4. So it's still fine, but in my head, I had these delusions of like, I'm gonna finish all of this stuff today. At any rate, I'm not gonna work out today. That is just not happening. Mochi, who you might hear in the background, she's one of our 6-month-old kittens. She's just not very good at cleaning herself always, so I had to give her a bath, like a full-out bath, and I can't kick her out right now. Like she was so mad at me. The fact that she's even wanting to be in the room with me right now is amazing. So if you hear squeaking, that's what's going on. So anyway, that was such a harangue. I'm like, I'm not working out tonight. It's gonna have to just be fine. So let's specifically start with Wednesday. So tonight, the things I need to do is I do need to move some furniture because like I said, our kitchen floors are getting installed tomorrow. So I need to move at least most of the furniture. I can't move the heavy stuff, but at least I want to get most of the stuff out of the kitchen. I also realized I need to film a video, thus the filming, because I really want to keep on schedule of being able to get videos up on Thursdays and Mondays. And my mom's going to be in town. I'm not going to want to film over the weekend. So here, like I said, you're getting to see the chaos. So I need to film, and that is currently occurring, so that gets a check mark. Great. And then I also need to upload again. This is Wednesday, so I need to finish uploading tomorrow's video. And I don't need to. YouTube is something I do for fun, but like I said, I've really been enjoying the schedule. I've already, the workout is not happening, so I just need to at least stick with one of my hobbies. So that's gonna happen next, going to work on that. And that is pretty much Wednesday. Okay, Thursday is when stuff starts to get frantic. So I have a training, and then I have another training, and there's another one. There's 4 of them, and then another one. So basically I have work right up until 5. So right up until 5, there's work. Then I'm taking Chris to hockey, and then Wes wants to get a workout in. So I'm gonna take Wesley to the gym. We're gonna work out together. That sounds great. I also have to clean, at least straighten up for our housekeeper who's coming Friday. I like to at least straighten up and declutter. And then also I need to set up the new bed that we're putting in the guest room. Okay, the other things that are happening on Thursday is sometime during the morning. I think it's going to be before my actual training session starts. So I'm really like hoping it works out, but a couple things are going to happen. I'll put it up here maybe. We have the flooring people are getting here to start the install. And it just kind of worked out that I'm working from home anyway. So I'll be here, I'll let them in. Hopefully they'll just do their thing. It'll be uneventful. But then also we're getting the bed delivery for that guest room. And that's something that I have to sign for. So again, hoping that that's going to be before everything starts. I think it will. If not, I'll figure it out. But Thursday is feeling crazy. I think what I'm gonna do is also just write like flooring install. So we have like a really, really old wood floor in the kitchen. It's beat up. So we're replacing that with laminate in the kitchen. And then actually in May, like early May, I think it's the 2nd, we're installing carpets wherever there's carpet on our house. So we're doing like almost all new flooring, and it will feel so great, but it's just feeling a little chaotic right now. Oh yeah, and sometime in here, dinner is going to have to happen. And I also want to edit the video that you're currently watching. And I think that's it. Hopefully that's it. Okay, so Friday, they may or may not have to finish installing the flooring. So I'm gonna do an arrow here and do flooring continued with a question mark. I don't know what time my mom's getting into town, but I'm guessing it's probably going to be somewhere in the afternoon. She's driving, so not sure. Whenever she gets here is great, but I will be in the office on Friday, so Loon's gonna be home to handle the flooring if flooring is an issue still on Friday. I actually wound up canceling my doctor's appointment, so there's that. And also, like I said, we have our housekeeper coming in the morning as well. She usually gets here between 7:30 and 8. So I'll just do that. I don't know why I figured that made a checkbox. Honestly, anything I'm writing now for like arrows or squares is purely therapeutic and ornamental, but we are going to give her the option to maybe not come because they might be working on the flooring and she might not want to work around that. And honestly, either way is fine. One thing I will need to do at work is I will need to, not necessarily at work, but at some point I'm going to have to think about dinner. I have no idea what we're having for dinner, and I want to make something that is friendly for what my mom eats. She's gluten-free. And so I'm just gonna put dinner question mark, like I need to figure it out. So that needs to happen at some point, honestly before here, hopefully, but definitely before the end of the day. At least come up with some options so that I can have some things handy, or at least have some suggestions in mind. Some things that my mom has said she wants to do is she wants to go to the dog park with her dog, Danny, that she's bringing. Danny is awesome. He is just so energetic. So I'm gonna put a couple notes here that those are kind of the plans that we have. And honestly, she's probably gonna wanna take him every day, I'm guessing. We'll put parentheses because I will still be at work. Oh, and I almost forgot for Thursday, I need to pick up Chris from hockey because this is dropping him up, but I need to pick him up. I think he's done at like 8 or 9 or something. Okay, so Friday evening, I'm going to need to get sheets on the bed, that new guest bed for sure, and just kind of prep that room, finish it so that it's not unhospitable for my mom. Saturday, I think Loon has, yeah, like he has like somewhere in here, like prime dinner time. He has hockey, I believe. All right, that's looking good. What else? We wanted to do sushi. So I'm gonna put sushi for dinner probably on Easter Sunday is what we talked about. Seems a little untraditional, but I think that it would be fun. I'm never going to say no to sushi. That sounds great to me. We actually have this place nearby that is all you can eat sushi. It's not like a buffet. Couldn't think of the word buffet. It's not a buffet, but they just kind of keep bringing you sushi as much as you want until you stop wanting it, which, you know, there we go. I think that Saturday is probably going to also be a sleep-in day after all the crazy. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, this feels so much better. Like, at least I have it all written down. I feel like Thursday and Friday, this execution, especially tomorrow, is going to be crazy. But after that, it's going to be fine, right? It's going to be fine. Things are fine. Everything's good. Thank you for joining whatever this was. I don't know if I can call it a plan with me or if it was just a try not to freak out and get your stuff together, like get your life in order kind of a video, but there we go. So thank you so much for joining, especially if you're here all the way till the end. I totally appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, wonderful rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.